As far as I can see, the services consumptions in major cities have already started a recovery. So there is hope that it will pick up pace in the beginning of next year.
How much do you see really is there for the momentum of China's economic growth?
We have been noticing that there were more long-term investment in the corporate sector, especially in manufacturing. Although the export has been slowing down, the domestic demand has been recovering. So the economic growth prospect in 2023 is a lot higher than this year.
I think the most important thing is consumer confidence right now for the Chinese economy, the demand side within China. If people are feeling better about the future and buying things and maybe eventually traveling again, I think that'll have a big impact on the economy. I think it'll be demand-driven growth. I think internationally, the exports are going to be slow to recover, both because of a worldwide recession and changes in supply chains until we know that they're safe.
Well, I think there's a lot of excitement and anticipation about the opening up in East Asia. It is believed that perhaps the primary company that will first benefit from this is probably the airlines company, which has suffered tremendously in the past 3.5 years. And after that, the ripple effects will be felt in the hotel, retail, as well as entertainment industries. And East Asian countries, particularly ASEAN countries, are very much looking forward to the return of Chinese tourism to the region. In the pre-COVID situation, they were already the largest group of tourists. Not only that, they were also the highest spender in the region. When we think of diplomacy, we tend to think of track one diplomacy. And track one diplomacy is between government officials, between the bureaucrats, between politicians. But we often forget that there is track two diplomacy. And track two diplomacy is based on people-to-people exchanges, tourism, exchanges of young people, exchanges of future leaders of countries. And certainly the opening up of China plays into track two diplomacy. Many sort of downplay the importance of tourism and students in understanding each other. As you have mentioned earlier on, previously they can only communicate on Zoom and other online platforms. But now they are going to see each other. Old friends are going to reunite. Relationships are going to rekindle. Business people talking to business people, as you know, in the East Asian context, is a high context culture. Having dinners together, having drinks together, having meals together is very important for talking business. So all these will likely to be resumed.